So I think we'll do these, take our time warming up real good, and then we'll do some Smith squats and head on over close stance press on the hammer. Maybe superset with leg extensions. 3 weeks till North Americans. And I got 2 chances to do well. Gotta see if I can take care of business. It's a little more than we wanted to do, but it's okay. That's the way they do it. Not a lot of chances to make it to that next level. So little by little, we get it. See if we can't do it this time. The hunt continues.
We're here back at World Gym San Diego. So we're here with Pete. He's about 20 days out for North Americans. We're very happy for him going into North Americans, and we believe that he's going to do much better at North Americans. A little disappointed for the USA placing, but you know what? It was bitter for a second, but he got back on the game, and now he's ready to rock and roll. Good luck to him.
Warm up slow and steady. Gained so much weight after the show. Rebounded from USA. We dried me out pretty good. Now it's coming down. Body's adapting to the fluid changes, but it's good. It's starting to feel good. Yeah.
We're at World Gym San Diego, the mecca of bodybuilding, and here training with Pete Ciccone. In between USAs and North Americans. 2 weeks after USAs, 3 weeks before North Americans. Getting Pete ready. He took 3rd at USAs. Very unfortunate. It was pretty close between him and Tamer, but we'll see what happens at North Americans. We're gonna push him through the next few weeks and hopefully bring in the best package to date for him. His weight's coming down nice. He's still grainy, still very thin skinned, and getting better every day.
So he's like, you got to go down and do the Tijuana show. It's new and blah, blah, blah. And I said, well, you got to be a pro. And he said, oh, well, how do you do that? So we're trying, man. We're trying.
We're almost there.
We're trying.
We're getting signed up for it right now.
A lot of different techniques to wrap in your knees. I just try to go a half up every time, so it's a nice even sheath, just a little bit of stability. Well, we're getting there, warming up slow and steady. Worked my way up to about 900 to 1,000 pounds today, but you gotta do it carefully. Don't want to pull anything. Got 3 weeks to go. My body's itching to grow, but I gotta remember, coming off USA's, I'm still dry. Electrolytes are still a little off. Weight's light, but we're getting there. Feels good. Just missed a heavy weight though, but it'll get there. Like 10. 10. Come on! Fucking.
Yeah. Light.
Baby, easy weight.
Nice. Let's go.
That easy. Squeeze.
Nice, Pete. Come on, Pete. Push for the pro card. Come on, baby. Push. Push. Come on, Pete.
Should be easy. Shoot! That's just a little fatigue. That's good. 4 or 5. Shut! Oh, that's it. Good, good, good. Nice and safe. Thanks. Good spot. 3 weeks. No mistakes this time. Easy weight.
Light, baby. It's light.
It is. That's that. My turn. My turn.
Sit.
My turn.
Nice. Nice, Pete. All the way to hell.
Shoot!
Let's go, Pete. Nice. Nice, Pete.
A little bit. Okay, a little bit on these.
Got you. Come on.
2 more, baby.
Let's go, champion.
Shoot!
Each one, champion. Let's go.
3 weeks, baby.
Come on, champion. Each rep.
3 weeks, baby.
Push. Push. So it's Pete Ciccone, Road to the Pros, Part 2, huh? You know, winning USA's, he had the size over everyone. I think there was like a minor mishap, kept him out of the top spot for that pro card, but the thing about Pete is he make a mistake one time, and he's gonna come back sharp, he's gonna come back edged up, he's gonna walk into North Americans, he's gonna walk out a pro. You know, training's intense, the guy pushes harder than anyone I know. Without that guy, my physique wouldn't look half as good as it is, and my physique's not even that good, but anyway, he's, I mean, I thoroughly expect Pete to turn pro at North Americans. If I had a lot of money, I'd bet it and I'd be a millionaire, so that's my bet right there, Pete Ciccone, North Americans pro. Yep, come on.
All I know is I'm thankful for good training partners that are motivated and good spots. And you know, it's a family thing we do here in 609 Muscle. I've been training for a long time. We did come away from USA's a little disappointed, but I won't let it happen again. Just working really hard and like we always do, lifting heavy things and having fun. It's a lifelong journey. We'll see you in Cleveland in 3 weeks.